guys! Welcome back to part 5. At saka rin last na part na to. Kaya let's make it quick. Wow. Bakit na lang gano'n ito?
Tanggalin mo.
Galit. Gugag. Trampoline na bye. See you in next week. See you in June. What did you do? First. Hazy mice. On the way. Into the night to save time. Night guys. Bye bye. See you in next week.